I just found it.
Come on, Dexter. It's hammer time.
I have no idea what hammer time is, or how it differs from regular time.